Every day begins with a choice to nourish the body and the soul. Before everyone else wakes, she has already given so much. Sometimes one quiet moment changes the whole day. Simple meals prepared with extraordinary love. Love is served long before the first bite. Strength isn't found in perfection, but in His presence. Every reflection becomes tomorrow's courage. The days are busy, but grace meets her there.
Yes, I understand. Even a moment with God can move the heart.
Practical meals, eternal encouragement. The greatest recipes are the ones shared with love.
Peace isn't found in having less to do. It's found in knowing where your strength comes from. Every day holds a new pearl, waiting to be discovered.